In this video, I will be showing you guys step by step how to make money with Amazon. You will be wondering why Amazon. So don't worry, make sure you stick around to the end of this video for you to be able to understand what I'm talking about. I'm not going to take much of your time. I promise to give you guys good updates, only quality video on this channel. So let me get into this video. First thing you need to do is come to this amazon.com. After you arrive at this Amazon, for you to be able to do this, you need a friend in who lives in Europe or UK or USA, United States of America. The reason why I say this is this person is going to create your friend is going to create ebook on Amazon to sell. Then you are going to be a potential buyer on this book because this ebook you just write a few story on this ebook and just list this book on Amazon. Then you are going to purchase this book in Nigeria at bank rate. So you and your friend, you are going to sort out the gain. I just gave the summary of what you are about to know on this video. So I want you to take note of something on my screen over here. If you see over here, this book is $25. Meanwhile, this book, you are going to pay Amazon global shipping $12. If you are creating an ebook, you don't need to spend you don't need to pay for this global shipping because you are creating an ebook, so you don't have directly involvement with Amazon for you to send something physical and goods for them to send to your buyer. Meanwhile, you are just selling ebook, so you are just selling ebook online, so there's no need for you to sell to Amazon, send this book to Amazon, so you don't need all this process. So for you to be able to create an ebook on Amazon, then to list this book on Amazon, you need to use this platform. You call it KP KDP.amazon.com. He said self-publishing ebook and paperbacks for free, handling direct publishing and reach millions of readers on Amazon. This is the app you are going to use basically to curate all this ebook you want to do. Then you're going to list this on this platform. Then this is going to apply on this front page of Amazon. So after your friend or you, that even you can do this also. Only you, if only you have international bank account, Amazon will be able to send money directly to your bank account. That's the only way. If you don't have a means of receiving dollar or a euro, you don't have to do this. Just find someone that can receive money from Amazon, then is going to create as is selling ebook on Amazon, then you are going to buy this on from him. Is going to send you the direct link. So for you to purchase this. So after you create your friend or you create this book on Amazon, then let's take for instance, this price of this book is $25. So I want to use exactly like $100 to do this, to make an example on this video. So if someone bought, if as if your friend now, like your friend create this ebook, now this is the ebook as an example. So you don't need to pay for shipping fee, you don't need to pay for tax, whatever. So your friend, you need to buy maybe worth of this book, or your friend just put $100 on one unit of this book. You know the value of what you are buying. Since you understand what you are doing, your friend can put $100. So putting $100 on one unit of this book, as you can see over here, we have $25 in dollar. And let me go up here. This is what I'm talking about. You are buying in Nigeria, you need to use your currency over here. to change. I'm just going to press change. It's loading. I'm going to press. It's already in naira. As you can, if you remember, the currency is in dollar. Then I've pressed change. Change, it has gone away. Then let me search again. E-book reader. So I'm just going to go with this. As you can see over here, I'm going to go with this 40 something thousand. This 40 something thousand is close to $1, $100 I'm talking about. Meanwhile, this not ebook exactly. This e-reader, like something you can buy to read ebook on. Is like phone. I don't think it's phone. Like something like mobile something to read. So I just use this for example, but because it look like book. So if you remember, we have dollar here before. Make sure you take note of this. We have 46,501. Let me change this to dollar again. Change, change, go up, dollar, change, save change. As you can see, we are going the actual value at this rate is we are going to spend 46,000 to buy something worth of 99.99 dollar, then naira. So we are spending 46,000 to get something like worth of $100. Let's say 99.99 cents. $99.99. That's almost $100. So at this rate, I don't know, maybe the bank is using 445 abi 446 rate. So I think this rate is good if you buy this. Remember, your friend create this ebook. I've just used this as an example. I did not find an ebook on this place. So you don't need to pay for any fee on this platform. So basically what you are just doing here is your friend will create. Let me tell you the summary of this again if you don't understand what I'm saying. Once your friend create this book on this platform, on this platform, after he finish the creating the ebook, he's going to send you the link for you to be able to purchase the book on. Let's take for example, this is the book. He's going to give you the link to purchase this book on Amazon. Then you need to set your currency to naira because you are buying from naira. It's going to give you naira automatic. It's because I'm changing this. That's the reason why we are having dollar, we are having naira. So I just want you to understand. So let's take for instance, this is the ebook. So you are going to pay 46,000. Then your friend is going to get 90 nine. Let's say it's going to get $100. Let's random this to $100. It's going to get $100. I think and Amazon is going to take 5% charge. 5%, that is going to be 90. Your friend is going to be left with 90. Remember, we are not importing anything, we are not shipping anything, we are not paying all this. So we are just paying for this 46,000. So your friend is going to get, let's take for instance, your friend is going to get 94,000. Let me go to my calculator over here. 90, your friend is going to get 94. $94. Then times, if he sent this from his dollar account to Binance or somewhere he can sell this at black market rate, he will be able to sell this at 690 times 690. He's going to be receiving, he's going to be getting 72,286 naira. So that this actual money is going to be getting after Amazon deduct their percent they are selling platform fees on this trade. So after doing this, remember we start with your friend in Nigeria bought this book at 64,000, 66,501 is equal to 25,785. Let's say you pay 700 minus 700 naira on Binance charges like you trade, then you'll be left with 25,000. 25,000. You can do this 25,000. You can do this four times in a month. That's once in a week for it to be not to be obvious. Then I'm just saying you can do this 10 times or how many times you wish in a month. Let's say okay, you do this 10 times in a month times 10, you'll be having 250,000 850. That's how much you'll be making, the profit you'll be making with only less than 50K capital doing this with your friend creating the ebook. So because you have to learn how to create this ebook and how to go with this step by step processing. If you want me to talk more about this, let me know in the comment section and let me know what do you think about this video, and make sure you subscribe to the channel and turn on the notification bell. I will leave the link you will need in this process in the video description, so make sure you check my video description, then drop a comment on the comment section.